Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE V20 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition to here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face and we will see how this feature just fast and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can see that the face unlock feature just works correct. We'll just unlock the device with just less than 1 second. This is really good result for the face unlock. So just you can try this unlock method, for example, just if you don't like some methods like the passcodes, pin codes or pattern, but be careful because the face unlock is less secure than all of the just unlock methods like the passcodes or pin codes here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.